Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will create the certificate store first. Run keytool to generate a PKCS12 key store with an RSA key pair and an alias like Spring. Use a clear, secure password and choose CN that matches your host. For local testing, use localhost. Once done, move key store P12 into src/main/resources or an external directory and make a note of the path and password. Make sure to pick PKCS12 for broad compatibility with Spring Boot and modern JVMs, which simplifies configuration later. Next, you wire the key store into Spring Boot, Edit Application, Properties or YAML and Set Server, port to 8443 Server SSL, key store to the key store path server SSL, key store password server SSL, key store type equals PKCS12 and server SSL, key alias. Once done, Spring Boot auto-configures the embedded container for HTTPS. If you want HTTP redirect, add a simple Tomcat connector bean or use configuration to forward port 8080 to 8. Finally, start the application and test at https://localhost 8443. If you see a browser security warning, accept it for testing or install the certificate. For production, use a CA-signed certificate. Once running, confirm controllers respond over HTTPS and that HTTP redirects if configured. If it fails, check logs for key store load errors, wrong password, or alias not found. Make sure server SSL key store type is PKCS12 and the path is accessible. One key troubleshooting tip: verify file permissions and JVM access to the key store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.